all you need to do this is the latest version of the Roblox game on your phone and the latest version of the TikTok app. So open up either the Play Store or the App Store and update both Roblox and TikTok accordingly. After you ensure that you are running the latest version of both apps, the first app to open is TikTok. After opening up TikTok, in order to go live, you need to have over 1,000 subscribers. So if you have the option to go live, all you have to do is click on the plus sign at the bottom of the screen and scroll to the right until you see live. As you can see, I don't have that option, but you should have it if, like I mentioned, you are over 18 and you have over 1,000 followers. After clicking on the Go Live button by using the plus sign at the bottom of the screen, all you have to do is go back to your home screen on your phone and make sure TikTok is running on the backgrounds. As you can see, keep it open on the background. Now, just open up Roblox and make sure both apps are running on the background at once. You should still be live on TikTok and you can start playing Roblox as usual as long as TikTok is open uninterrupted on the background, and you will keep going live while playing Roblox. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Roblox while live on TikTok.